Printer calibration is essential in order to obtain good quality prints. It is very important to calibrate your printer correctly, especially after transporting it. We also recommend carrying out this process frequently as part of the printer's regular maintenance. To begin, verify that the printing surface is correctly installed. Then you can start the Printer Calibration Assistant. First, wait until the print surface reaches the indicated temperature. Each of the hot ends will carry out a series of measurements in order to establish the print surface position. Afterwards, through the Printer Calibration Assistant on the screen, you will be guided through the necessary adjustments needed to complete the print surface leveling. Turn the two front knobs according to the instructions appearing on the screen, and to finish, select Redo in order for the printer to verify the adjustments made.